and that's where your files are still located. Let's get it going. Okay, wow, I got really riled up there for a moment. Whew. Okay, so let me simmer down.
Bruh.
What's up, party people? Carolina Mike here, your host for SharePoint in 60 seconds, where you get the information you need in the first 60 seconds. And if you want more, stick around for a step-by-step walkthrough. Today, we're going to show you how to find the files if you mistakenly delete a channel in Microsoft Teams. Stick around, you're not going to want to miss this.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd, I like maple syrup, on my pancakes, I don't care what you heard.
Okay, timer please. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to that general channel. You're going to go in the upper right hand corner of Teams, click those triple dots, and you're going to say open in SharePoint. From there, you're going to go to the left hand side, click on documents. Boom, you're going to see the folder that was created when you created that channel, and that's where your files are still located. Let's get it going. Okay, wow, I got really riled up there for a moment. Whew. Okay, so let me simmer down,
Bruh.
and we're going to show you how to do that in real life. Let me take a moment to say thank you to everyone who's subscribed, who's liked and commented. Now is your chance. Hit that like, subscribe. We would appreciate your consideration. Also, if you find someone who might find benefit in any of this, please feel free to share. So check it out. Let's say we go ahead and delete this channel. Why would we delete this channel? I don't know why we would delete this channel, but we're gonna delete this channel. We're gonna go down and we're gonna delete this channel. Blah, blah, blah gone by. Read that stuff, it's important, but it's gone now. So the next day, your people are like, oh my gosh, I had a file in the delete me channel and now it's gone. Well, maybe you shouldn't have put a file in a delete me channel, but
Bruh.
that's neither here nor there. So now we'll just go into the whatever channel you got. You're gonna at least have a general channel. You're gonna make sure you're on that channel. Upper right, triple dots, open in SharePoint. So all of your channel files get stored in folders inside a default document library within a Microsoft Teams site. So there you go. Deleting the channel from Microsoft Teams does not actually delete the folder from the default document library. So there are your files. You can go in there and take a look at your file. I hope this helps. Hope this saves you some time. Remember, do the best you can with what you got. SharePoint rocks, and so do you. Take it easy. We'll see you next time.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd, I like maple syrup, on my pancakes, I don't care what you heard.